Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a house tour for you guys, and let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you will see is the kitchen, and this is the kitchen area. It is so pretty. We have, like, I think it's a breakfast bar, I'll call that. And look at the design of the wood. The wooden pattern is so lovely. It goes up like so. On top are storage, and also guys, just look at this arch. That's the doors to the room. We have our luggage down there, and in the kitchen, that's the gas cooker, bin, sink area, and on top are also storage, but we have more storage, but for me that is quite high. Okay, and guys, everything about this place is so traditional and I love it. Okay, in this room I love the arc shaped door. It is a double room with double size bed. We've got towels there, and just look at the texture of this wood. It's so nice. Okay, just beside, outside there is just our neighbors are nearby us. We have two large windows for ventilation because it's really hot in here. And then ceiling fan, we need this. So this is the second bedroom. It also has a double wardrobe. I'll show you guys. It has a double size wardrobe, as you can see there. And guys, hi guys, and it's quite spacious. Nothing much, a little dresser down there, and then that's it. Outside you can see the lovely bench. We can sit down there all day anyway because it's quite hot down here in the Seychelles. And our neighbor outside, those two things you can see there, let me zoom it, that's the air condition. Because it's hot, you need AC in this house. So that's for the neighbor, but each house has their own AC. Okay, let's move on to the second bedroom, guys. Hey guys, next door here we have our bathroom, and yep, moving on to the second bedroom. Still has this lovely arch. I just love the lovely arch shaped doors, like a church doors. That's how they look like. Mommy. Yes dear. So if you go through, it's two double size bed, sofa, towels nicely. That's my son in the background. And outside you can see the lovely coconut trees, hill area. It's quite lovely. It also has two large size wardrobe, or I say a double wardrobe, or a large wardrobe basically, and a fan and another fan on top, and a dresser at the middle. And I'm gonna say hi to you guys. So, and in front is a living area. Look at the patterns on the wall, they are so nice. And we have a large shelf at the corner down there. That's my little boy. So yeah, I love these patterns here. And if you walk straight through, you will see our balcony. Just gonna show you guys, and that's the outside view, and it's quite hilly guys, super hilly. And that's the balcony. And look at those coconut trees. Isn't that lovely? Okay. I'll just give you a proper view from here. That's it. And our AC. Okay.